Hello everyone, this is Dr. Christy Anandan, Head and Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Sociology. We are happy to present this learning series by HR Forum from the batch of 2024-26. Today we are going to discuss about Employees State Insurance Act 1948. If you like this video, subscribe, like and comment on the efforts of students. Thank you.
Welcome back everyone. I am here Raymond Silva to speak about the topic ESI, Employee State Insurance. This act was enacted in the year 1948 and came into force 24th February 1952. It was administered by the Employee State Insurance Corporation ESIC, which works under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Applies to factories and establishments which have 10 or more employees, extends to the whole of India, which aims to provide social security and health insurance for employees. So this act plays an important role for workers' welfare. Here are our friends to speak further about the topic.
Hi, this is Gerald. Today I am going to explain you about two topics, objectives and key definitions of ESI Act. First, let's go with objectives of this act. To provide social security to employees, to offer medical care and cash benefits during sickness, maternity or employment injury, to protect dependent in the case of death or disability, to promote workers' welfare through preventive health services. Next, let's see about key definitions. In these key definitions, there are four important concepts. First, employee. Any person employed for wages in connection with work of factory or establishment. Second one, wages. All the remuneration paid or payable in cash excluding certain allowances. Insured person, employee covered under ESI Act contributing to the fund. Finally, the principal employer, owner or occupier responsible for compliance.
This is Srinidhi. I am going to share about contributions and wage ceiling of ESI. First, contribution. The total contribution of ESI is 4%, that is divided into two. Employer contribution is 3.25% and employee contribution is 0.75%. This ESI contribution has to be paid through ESIC portal. Employer should submit Form 5 for the returns of contributions. Next, we are going to see about wage ceiling and coverage. Employees who are earning less than or equal to 21,000 can be applicable to ESI. Establishments with greater than or equal to 10 workers has to be under ESI Act. It includes shops, hotels, schools, cinemas and private institutions.
This is Gokulavasan connecting with you. Now it's a time to focus on another key aspect, which is benefits in the ESI Act, that are first, medical benefit. It is full medical care to the insured person and their family. Next, sickness benefit, which is 70% of wages up to 91 days in a year. Then maternity benefit, which is up to 26 weeks as a paid leave. Next, disablement benefit. It is for temporary and permanent injury while incident happened. Next, dependent benefit, which are pension to the family on death due to injury. Finally, funeral benefit, rupees 15,000 approximately towards funeral expense by the organization.
Hello everyone, I am Entry Vincent Daniel. I am going to explain ESI Fund and Administration. Section 26, Establishment of ESI Fund. Fund maintained by ESIC for all medical and cash benefits. Governing bodies, IC Corporation Section 3 to 7, Standing Committees, Section 8 to 9, Medical Benefit Council, Section 10 to 22, Duties, oversees administration, approve budgets and ensure service quality. Employee Insurance Court and Penalty, Section 75, Establishment of Employee Insurance Court to settle disputes. Section 84-86, Penalties, false statement up to 6 months imprisonment or fine, non-payment of contribution up to 3 years imprisonment, repeated offence, higher punishment and damage.
Hello, this is Nisha Leonora. Today I am going to talk about the Standing Committee and the Medical Council benefit members. And the Standing Committee, according to Section 8 and 9, the executive body managing ESIC operations. And I am going to introduce the governing body members. First, the chairman. The chairman is appointed by the central government and the vice chairman is elected by the member. 3 members from the central government and 1 member from each state government. 3 members representing the employees, 3 members representing the employees, 1 member representing the medical profession and Director General from the office member. The next, I am going to tell about the Medical Benefit Council, Section 10(2)22 advise the corporation on the matters related to the medical care and the benefit delivery. The members included in this, Director General, DG, ESIC, Chairman. And the second one is Medical Commissioner, ESIC, the ex-office member. 1 member each from the central government and the ESI state government. 3 members representing the employers and 3 members representing from the employee. 3 members from the medical profession and 1 woman from the medical.
Hello everyone, this is Queen Shabnam Kujur and I am here to talk about the ESI forms. The purpose of ESI form is to facilitate the ESI schemes which include medical care, benefit claims, social security and reporting. So let's see and learn what are the ESI forms. Form number 1, employer registration. Form 5, monthly contribution return. Form 6, employer register. Form 9, sickness, maternity, disablement claim. Form 14, permanent disablement claim. Form 15, dependence claim. Form 22, funeral expenses claim. Form 32, wage and contribution record.
Hi, I am Anthony Vimalraj, going to speak about the recent updates of 2023 to 2025. 2023, ESI amendments rules allowed pending sickness, maternity claims. 2024, Central Amendments rules raised financial transaction limits 25 crores. 2025, amnesty schemes, one-time chance for employees to settle ESI disputes without full damages. SPREE 2025, SPREE schemes for promoting registration of employers and employees. Registration drives offering legal immunity to unregistered firms. ESI facility upgrades, more hospitals and services introduced in 2025.
Hello guys, once again. Now it's a time to conclusion. ESI Act ensures medical security and financial stability for employees. It aims to create a social safety net for industrial workers. Then recent updates make ESI for more inclusive and simplified. Finally, I conclude with a quote which is, health and security at work is not charity, it's a worker's right. Thank you.